Uria namba ya arwaru a murimu wa coronavirus irathi na mbere kuongerereka noguo maabitha a ugima wa mwiri mararika ugwati-ini makiria wa kugwatwo ni murimu uyu. Gikuo kia ndagitari Doreen Lugaliki uria urahurukire muthenya wa ira kumana na murimu uyu kironeka kuinainia maabitha aingi a ugima wa mwiri aria makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuhitana na king'uki giki.
My heart is heavy, and not just me, but all Kenyan doctors and all Kenyan healthcare workers.
Ugukinyiria riu maabitha matanyiheire 292 nio manyititwo ni murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Umuthi ngwataniro ya Ataaramu a urigitani KMPDU ikiuga maabitha angi eri aria maratungataga ta manathi ni makuite kumana na murimu uyu.
Already we have lost 2 nurses, and as per yesterday we have lost 1 doctor, and this is a greater call to the government and in particular the Minister of Health that we need to step up our protection for the healthcare workers.
I'm aware of one healthcare worker who is now critically ill, but the doctors and the nurses are doing everything possible, and we hope we'll have a good outcome. Going further, as the numbers rise, of course the number of healthcare workers that will be exposed will equally rise.
Mieri itatu mihituku ino niyo yari miario ya mutongoria wa bururi agiatha ministry ya uruti wira wa muingi hamwe na ugima wa mwiri gutigirira ati ugima mwega wa mwiri wa maabitha aya ni utangikirwo ihinda-ini riri. Miario ino ona kuhanura uguo marauga ndiri yakinyanirio umuthi makiuga makurirwo maitho ni ugwati matari na oma wa rucio rwao ona rwa family ciao.
Unfortunately, 3 months later, we as healthcare personnel feel abandoned and let down by the people you tasked to ensure that your directive is implemented. And we have lost one of us.
That the compensation package, the insurance package for the healthcare workers must be implemented.
Akiaria hindi ya gutiriha icera ria kurora mehariria makaunti ngurani mwena wa gicua-ini, mwandiki mutafariri ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Masi Mwangangi augite kigina kia marihi ma njoherera kuri Ataaramu a urigitani riu ni kirekereirio niguo kuriha mieri ya mbere 3 kuma riria murimu uyu waingirire guku bururi-ini.
The money is availed. Treasury has given us confirmation that these funds are available. And so it is only a matter of time before these funds are disbursed, at least for the initial 3-month period that we had negotiated with Treasury. Going forward, as we know it's a disease that is here with us for some time, there are discussions underway to look at the fiscal space to determine how we'd be able to extend this support to our healthcare workers.
Oho akiranira ati thirikari ni hariirie gutangikira maabitha aya kungikinya ati mundu ni ahuruka ari wira-ini.
Our healthcare workers are covered through the National Hospital Insurance Fund. It does offer comprehensive cover to be able to ensure that these healthcare workers receive the care that they need. This includes from the point where they have mild, moderate, and severe disease. And additionally, through the directive from the President, we are putting in place measures to ensure that any healthcare worker who may actually be afflicted and may succumb to this disease is also protected, and particularly their family members who remain behind are protected.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.